The reason why you don't have what you want, it might not be necessary that you lack the skills. Maybe you lack the right mindset. I didn't learn high-paying clients because I was very experienced than any other. I did it because I changed how I think. My name is Datman Gilbert. I'm a software engineer, freelancer, and entrepreneur. I've been doing freelancing for many years now on platforms like Upwork, CodeMentor, Fiverr, both as a client but also as a freelancer. Here is the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Number one, stop staying at lower rate. Starting with lower rate, that's fine. But staying there forever, that's rough. If you don't raise your rates every 3 to 6 months for every new project you accept, you are not really growing to your potential. And you are telling your future client that you are okay to be underpaid. High-paying clients will treat you well because they value your time. Number two, apply even if you feel unqualified. This is very important. If job excites you and you believe you can deliver, smash that apply button. Don't disqualify yourself. Let clients do it for you. I landed one of my best projects this way because confidence speaks louder than just checklist. Number three, show up like an expert. People don't pay experts less. They pay them more. So when you show up, don't say, I think. Instead say, here is how I've done it before. And here is how I will solve it for you. By the way, if you find value from this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and motivate me to keep creating content like this. Number four, show your best work. Client doesn't really care how many projects you have built. They care about what you can do for them right now. One strong project can win trust, even if it is only one. Number five, positivity equals magnet. Nobody wants to work with someone who is constantly negative, blaming, burning out. Stay curious, stay consistent, stay kind, stay leveling up. Your growth mindset will attract high-paying clients. Here is also the truth you cannot ignore. After all the things are done correctly, you need a luck on your side. But here's the catch. You don't just get lucky. You grow into kind of person who attracts better opportunities by shifting mindset, by raising your standard and showing up like a pro. If you find value from this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comment below, what is one mindset shift that changed everything for you? Until next time, keep grinding. If you don't quit, success is just a matter of time.